if we say any function is continuous, that means we can draw the graph of that function without lifting the pen. Means if I say that suppose a linear function is there, y equals to or fx equals to x. Okay, y equals to fx equals to x. So basically every value of y is equal to value of x. So graph of this will be this way. Okay, so this is x, x dash, y, y dash. Okay, so if we are able to draw the graph of the function without lifting the pen, then that function is continuous. This is very simple definition, and this is accurate definition also. But coming to mathematical term, I will express this in terms of limits also. So first definition is this: if anything is continuous, that means we can draw the graph without lifting the pen. Okay, now suppose we have a function fx equals to 1 if x is less than or equal to 0, and it is equal to 2 if x is greater than 0. Okay, now if we plot graph for this function, okay, value of x will vary from all real numbers. For they can take value for all real numbers. X can vary from here to here. Okay, now it is said that if x is less than 0, when x is less than 0, the value of function is 1. That means x is less than 0 means they are talking about this region. Okay, so value is 1. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, okay, 3. So value of graph will be this way if it is equal to 1. Okay, this 1 is also included. Now if x is greater than 0, value is 2. So this 2 is not included. 2 के बाद जो next वाला point है, that one is included, but this point is not included. Okay, that's why I'm making a circle there. Okay, this will be the graph. Okay, so
1 is also included.
What?
1 is also not included.
1 is included. यहाँ पे जब हम x की वैल्यूज माइनस इंफिनिटी से 0 तक आएंगे तो इसकी fx की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 0 तक उसकी वैल्यू 1 है. अब 0 से जस्ट ग्रेटर नंबर पे उसकी वैल्यू 2 है. एग्जैक्टली 0 पे उसकी वैल्यू 1 है. ओके, नाउ if we move from this side, and find the value of the function, this is what we call the left hand limit. If we say limit x tends to 0 minus, 0 minus means कि जब हम लेफ्ट हैंड से अप्रोच कर रहे हैं किस पॉइंट को, x equals to 0 पॉइंट को. ओके, देन fx is equal to what is its value? 1. Okay, then when we are approaching this thing 0 from right hand side, when we are approaching, what is the value? मतलब 0 पे कभी भी हम वैल्यू नहीं देखेंगे, we'll always see the values just before that. Okay, so when we will see this value, its value is 2. Okay, so this is the case. Now जो हमने सिंपल डेफिनेशन देखी थी कंटिन्यूटी की, is this function continuous?
No, no.
It is not continuous. Everywhere we are able to draw it, but at 0 ये वाले पॉइंट के बिना हम इस फंक्शन को पूरा प्लॉट नहीं कर सकते. Therefore it is not continuous. Okay, so in mathematical term, when we can say that if left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then the function is not continuous at that point. Okay, so first thing we can conclude is if left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then function is not continuous, or function will be continuous only if left hand limit equals to right hand limit. So for first condition for a function, as we are seeing here point 0, हमने 0 के आसपास देखा है, इसलिए I am writing 0 minus and 0 plus. Then we will write a general statement also. So first thing, for a function to be continuous is limit x tends to 0 minus fx should be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx. Okay. Now, coming to other example. Okay. Suppose a function is given fx equals to 1 if x is not equal to 0 and it is equal to 2 if x is equal to 0. Okay. When we plot this function, okay, this is the point 0, its value 1 and 2. तो जब x equals to 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू है 2. Okay, so its value is 2 when it is equal to 0. Okay, but for all other values x equals to 0 के अलावा रियल लाइन पे x की कोई भी वैल्यू है उसके लिए the value of function is 1 only. So we'll plot this way, excluding this point, तो इसको hollow circle बनाएंगे. If it is included, then we'll make a dark circle. Okay. So this will be the graph for this. Yes.
2 will be dark circle.
Yes, 2 will be dark circle. Can you see on the screen? I have made that way only. Okay. Now, if we find limit x tends to 0 minus fx, so what will be its value? When we are approaching from left hand side, when x is equal to 0, 0 पे उसकी वैल्यू नहीं देखेंगे, 0 से जस्ट पहले उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 1. So limit x tends to 0 minus fx is 1. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx, when we are approaching from right hand side, not at 0 but just before 0, its value is 1 only. So its value is 1. Okay. Now, according to our definition, is this graph continuous?
Yes, ma'am.
No. So we'll encounter this point also.
Okay.
It is not continuous. Okay. It is not continuous at this point. So, अब हमारी one more condition we have to say कि left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit and should be equal to value of that function, should be equal to value of x or whatever the value, मतलब basically f of 0 के equal होनी चाहिए. Left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit, should be equal to the value of function at x equals to 0. So now we let limit x tends to 0 minus fx equals to limit x tends to 0 plus fx equals to f of 0. This is the condition for a graph to be continuous at x equals to 0. Okay. I am hearing disturbance actually. You can mute yourself if disturbance is around. Now, so that we have written for x equals to 0. Now for general, we can write a general statement that a function is continuous at x equals to c if it is defined at c and if the value of the function at x equals to c equals the limit of the function at x equals to c. Okay, so it means that limit x tends to c minus fx equals to limit x tends to c plus fx equals to f of c. Okay. Now, okay, copy this if you are copying.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Now, this thing, limit x tends to c minus fx equals to limit x tends to c plus fx. So if we actually जब graph इस type का है like this, when it is at that point it is defined differently, then we need to find left hand limit and right hand limit. But अगर graph हमको पता है कि वो continuous ही है, like it is a straight line or it is a curve, then we don't have this thing, we can write as single thing also. We can write this way as limit x tends to c fx equals to fc. इसमें ये understood है कि जब left hand limit right hand limit है, that is should be equal to fc, then the function is continuous. What I am saying कि जब हमारा ग्राफ ऐसा एक लाइन है, oh sorry, 1 minute. If our graph is, suppose this is our graph, okay, x dash y dash, okay, suppose this is c, ये कोई पॉइंट है. तो जब ये ग्राफ हमको पता है, like if it is a linear graph or if it is a polynomial function, if we'll approach from this side and this side, its value will be same only, then we don't find left hand limit and right hand limit, we just find the limit at x equals to c fx. Okay, so when we'll do examples, this thing will be clear. Okay. Now, so next, if f is not continuous at c, we say f is discontinuous at c, and c is called point of discontinuity. If f is not continuous at c, we say f is discontinuous and at c, discontinuous at c, and c is called point of discontinuity. Okay. So clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So coming,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Exercise 5.1. Okay. First question. Prove that function fx equals to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equals to 0, at x equals to minus 3, and at x equals to 5. Okay. So here fx equals to 5x minus 3. So this is actually a linear function. You have seen in 10th class y equals to 5x minus 3 को अगर हम plot करेंगे तो ये एक line ही बनेगी. Okay. So linear function and all polynomial functions, basically polynomial functions of degree 1, 2, 3, all are continuous at all points. So in continuity, actually most of the cases will know the answer before proving it. Okay. Now to prove that it is continuous, so limit x tends to, for first case, limit x tends to c, fx should be equal to fc. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, when we have to prove first one continuous, fx is 5x minus 3. What is its value? Its value is 5 minus 5 into 0 minus 3. Okay, that is equal to minus 3. Okay, and f of 0 is minus 3. So as limit x tends to 0, fx is equal to f of 0, the function is continuous at x equals to 0. Okay, you can write as limit x tends to 0, fx equals to f of 0. The function is continuous at x equals to 0. Okay. Copied? X equals to minus 3. So at x equals to minus 3, limit x tends to minus 3. fx, it is equal to limit x tends to minus 3, fx is 5x minus 3, that is equal to 5 of minus 3 minus 3. So it will be minus 18, and f of minus 3 equals to, so 5 of minus 3, that is minus 18. So hence f is continuous at x equals to minus 3. And for x equals to 5 also we'll do the same. Limit x tends to 5, fx, that is equal to limit x tends to 5, 5x minus 3. So it will be 5 into 5 minus 3, that is equal to 22. And f of 5, that is also 5 into 5 minus 3, that is 22. Okay. So limit x tends to 5, fx equals to f of 5. So f is continuous at x equals to 5. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. Now coming to next question. So actually next question will be doing question number 6. We are not leaving other questions. This we will do. लेकिन ये सारे क्वेश्चंस जैसा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन चल रहा था वैसा ही चलता रहेगा, तो यू विल थिंक कि सब में ऐसा ही होता है. So let us take something different so that concept will be more clear. Then we'll come to question number 2. So 2x plus 3 if x is less than equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Okay. So we have to find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by this. So we have to find all the points of discontinuity. Okay. So actually, first of all, okay, write down the question and read the question. Okay. And just analyze it. Basically, x की value जब 2 से less है, okay, when it is less than or equal to 2, it is defined by this fx equals to 2x plus 3. Okay. When it is greater than 2, it is defined by 2x minus 3. Okay. So basically, when you will plot this graph, so x equals to 2 के पहले it is defined by 2x plus 3. So there will be a linear graph. मतलब 2 से just पहले तक यहाँ पे कोई ग्राफ बनेगा जो लीनियर ही होगा. It can be neither in this direction or other direction. When x is greater than 2, again it is defined by linear function 2x minus 3. तो फिर कुछ और ग्राफ बनेगा, पर ये ग्राफ भी एक लाइन ही होगी. Are you getting what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, x के 2 के पहले it will be a linear graph. 2 के बाद also it will be a linear graph. Okay. So what can be the point of discontinuity? Point of discontinuity can only be 2. Isn't it? सिर्फ 2 ही एक पॉइंट हो सकता है जहां पे ये डिसकंटिन्यूअस हो. उसके पहले तो x की वैल्यू जब 2 से कम है तो it is 2x plus 3. So it will be some linear graph. मतलब 1, 0, -1 सब के लिए ये ही एक function है which is defining this 2x plus 3. This expression is defining the function. And after this, okay. So for doing this type of question, what we'll do, first of all, we'll write that given function is defined at all the points of real line. All the points means 2 से पहले minus infinity तक x की वैल्यू पे इसकी वैल्यू ये है, और 2 के बाद प्लस इंफिनिटी तक इसकी वैल्यू ये है. So it is defined at all the points on the real line. Let C be a point on the real line. Okay. We can take 3 cases when C is less than 2. Second, when C is greater than 2, and third when C is equal to 2. ठीक है? For C is less than 2, is it clear? कि हमने 3 केसेस ले लिए कि जब जो हम C ले रहे हैं वो that will be either less than 2, greater than 2 or equal to 2. Okay. So first, if C is less than 2, okay, limit x tends to C fx. Okay. So how do we define when it is less than 2? When it is less than 2, it is defined by fx क्या होगा 2x plus 3. So it will be limit x tends to C 2x plus 3, or it will be 2c plus 3. Okay. And f of C will be 2c plus 3. Okay. So limit x tends to C fx will be equal to f of C. So f is continuous at all points for x less than 2. Okay. Second, if C is greater than 2, f of C is 2x minus 3, and limit x tends to C fx. Fx will be what when it is greater than 2? When it is greater than 2, it is 2x minus 3. So fx will be equal to limit x tends to C 2x minus 3, or it will be 2c minus 3, and f of C is also 2c minus 3. So limit x tends to C fx equals to fc. So f is continuous at all points for x greater than 2. Okay. Written? Copy this.
Yes.
So, okay. Here actually the question was asked, find the point of discontinuity. So point of discontinuity के लिए अगर if we'll do only this much कि C, because we are doubtful about C equals to 2 only, क्योंकि यहीं पे function की definition change हुई है, so we could have done only this part also. ठीक है, लेकिन कभी क्वेश्चन आता है कि चेक द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द फंक्शन, तो उसमें पूरा करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to go through this topic. Actually, it's not very easy, that I told you before also. Okay, anyway, go through this topic. I hope it will be clear, and try question 2 and 3.